back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today let's talk about garlic. You see me all the time working with it, but what is these tools that I use? Well, it makes your life easier. You see me using things like a squirt bottle with your water or your bleach cleaner in it. You put that down and then you put your cutting board on top, and your cutting board doesn't move around. You don't have to chase it across your countertop island. So I keep my garlic in the refrigerator and I shake it. You see me shaking it like this. That knocks the wax paper off it. And then trim it. You can go ahead and trim it up. Just get a piece that you like. And if it's not trimmed, go ahead and knock the end off it. So we have this one here. This is one of my favorites. So we just put a piece of garlic in it. And you can hold it in the air if you want to try to be quiet, instead of pounding on the counter. And if there was any paper on it, it would knock the paper off. And you'd be able to reach in and grab the paper. And then you can just put your garlic inside your pan, just like that. But you have to wash that when you're done. Next, we have a garlic press. So we take our knife, knock off the ends, and a little piece of paper that was left on there. And we take and we put it in our press, squeeze it, just like that, and we put it inside there. Then we have one of my new tools that I really want to review. And I want to tell you, I didn't pay much for this thing. I bought it on the internet. I don't work for them. I don't get paid to tell you this. But this one is absolutely one of my favorites. This thing is great. It cuts up garlic like a dream. You just take your garlic, knock your ends off it, throw it inside it. You have to kind of line it up a little bit. Has a magnet on here that turns it on, and you have to charge it with the same charger like for your cell phone. Literally just push the button, spins around, cuts up. Don't overload it. Don't try to put too much in it. I've read the reviews on it. It's made for cutting up garlic and onions. I wouldn't put anything else in it. I've seen people say they do ice and peanuts and spices, but to be honest with you, from the reviews I've read, stick to garlic and onions and you'll be happy. So just put your garlic in, just like that. And then this needs to go back to the counter to be recharged. It has a magnet on the side so it knows when it's closed. The next one I have is probably the one that my grandma used. This one here is definitely going to be one of my favorites because it works well. It's easy to use, fail-proof, don't have to charge the battery. Nothing's going to break on it. You can use it for onions, garlic, whatever you want. But it just has serrated holes in it there. And you just put it on top. You rock it back and forth, just like that. There's your garlic, all smooshed. And then you put it in there. You might want to use a butter knife to get it off. But that's what it looks like. That's my review for today. I definitely recommend, if you don't have one and you're cooking, get one of these. Definitely get one of these. I recommend it. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.